Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am S.N. Kubendra from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. So today's topic is going to be about water conservation. So let's start. Water conservation. Preserving our most precious resource, understanding the importance and impact. So my USN is 1B22CS133 and subject is social connect and responsibility. So introduction to water conservation. The practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water usage and preserve freshwater resources. Water is essential for life, ecosystems, agriculture, and industry. Overview of the presentation. Current water crisis, importance of water conservation, tips for water conservation at home, water conservation in agriculture, community initiatives for water conservation, corporate responsibility in water conservation. Current water crisis. Global water scarcity statistics. Over 2 billion people worldwide lack access to clean and safe drinking water. Approximately 40% of the global population faces water scarcity at least 1 month per year. By 2050, the global demand for water is projected to exceed supply by 40%. Impact of water scarcity. Water scarcity contributes to poverty, malnutrition, and disease, particularly in developing regions. Water scarcity hampers agricultural productivity, disrupts industry reliant on water, and undermines economic development. Examples of regions facing severe water shortages: Central Asia, West Asia, and North Africa often experience physical water scarcity. Causes of water scarcity: population growth and urbanization. Rapid population growth, particularly in urban areas, increases the demand for water for domestic, industrial, and agricultural purposes. Climate change and unpredictable weather patterns. Climate change alters precipitation patterns, leading to increased frequency and intensity of droughts, floods, and other extreme weather events. Pollution and contamination of water sources. Pollution from industrial discharges, agricultural runoffs, and improper waste disposal contaminates fresh water sources, rendering them unfit for consumption. Inefficient water use practices. Inefficient irrigation methods such as flood irrigation and open canals result in water losses through evaporation and runoffs. The importance of water conservation, preserving ecosystem and biodiversity. Water conservation helps maintain healthy aquatic ecosystem including rivers, lakes and wetlands which support diverse flora and fauna. Ensuring access to clean water for future generations. Sustainable water management practices ensure reliable access to clean and safe drinking water for present and future generations. Mitigating the effects of drought and water scarcity. Water conservation measures help mitigate the impact of droughts, floods, and water scarcity by reducing water demand and enhancing water resilience. Reducing energy consumption associated with water treatment and distribution. Water treatment and distribution processes consume significant amount of energy, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and environmental pollutions. Tips for water conservation at home: installing water saving appliances and fixtures, upgrade to water efficient appliances such as low flow toilets, shower heads, and faucets. Water saving fixtures can significantly reduce water usage without compromising functionality or comfort. Practicing water wise landscaping and gardening. Choose drought tolerant plants and native species for landscaping to minimize water requirements. Implement mulching techniques to retain soil moisture and reduce evaporation in gardens and flower beds. Taking shorter showers and turning off the tap. Turn off the tap while brushing teeth, washing dishes, or lathering soap to avoid unnecessary water runoff. Water conservation in agriculture. Efficient irrigation techniques. Adopt precision irrigation methods such as drip irrigation and micro sprinklers to deliver water directly to plant roots, minimizing water loss through evaporation and runoffs. Implement scheduling techniques to optimize irrigation timing and frequency based on crop water requirements and soil moisture levels. Soil management practices. Practice soil conservation methods such as cover cropping and conservation tillage to enhance soil structure, reduce erosion, and improve water infiltration and retention. Incorporate organic matter into soil to increase water holding capacity and promote nutrient cycling, reducing the need for irrigation. Crop selection and rotation. Choose drought resistant crop varieties adapted to local climatic condition and water availability. Rotate crops to maintain soil health and prevent pest and disease buildup, and optimize water use efficiency. Community initiatives for water conservation. Public awareness campaigns. Educate communities about the importance of water conservation through outreach programs, workshops, and public service announcements. Raise our awareness about local water issues, water saving practices, and the collective responsibility for water stewardship. Implementing water saving policies and regulation. Enact and enforce water saving policies, regulation, and incentives to promote efficient water use and discourage wasteful practices. Develop water management plans and integrated water resource management strategies in collaboration with stakeholders and authorities. Investing in water infrastructure upgrades. Upgrade aging water infrastructure, pipeline, and treatment facilities to minimize water losses, leakage, and system inefficiencies. Corporate responsibility in water conservation. Adopting water efficient technologies and processes. Invest in water efficient equipment, technologies, and production processes to minimize water consumption and optimize resource use. Implement water recycling, reuse, and treatment systems to reduce freshwater withdrawals and wastewater discharges. Implementing water recycling and reuse systems. Capture and treat wastewater for reuse in industrial processes, cooling systems, and landscape irrigation. Implement closed loop water system and zero liquid discharge technology to minimize water discharge and pollution. Partnering with communities to address water challenges. Engage in partnership with local communities, government, and NGOs to support water conservation projects, infrastructure development, and watershed management initiatives. So, we are at the end of the presentation, and the conclusion is water conservation is vital for ensuring access to clean water, preserving ecosystem, and mitigating the effects of water scarcity. We explored the current water crisis and its causes and the importance of adopting sustainable water management practices. Addressing water challenges requires collaborative efforts from individuals, communities, governments, and businesses. By working together, we can create meaningful change and secure a sustainable future for water resources. Let's commit to implementing water saving practices in our daily lives, such as fixing leaks, using water efficient appliances, and practicing mindful consumption. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.
From the